Hello, my name is Aaliyah Torres. I am enrolled here at MTC in advanced manufacturing. I discovered this course through my current partner. He took this course just last semester. He is now employed with KHS, that's a German company. He travels all around the US. He now is going to be traveling outside the US to their headquarters in Germany. I was in a loss of a search for what I wanted to do. I jumped from different jobs. So then I was like, what am I gonna do? All these jobs left me in the same position, standstills. There's no up, there's no down, there's no turnaround. I went full-time at Wawa. I am now a lead customer service associate there. With the Wawa schedule, it allowed me to go back to school. And this is what I wanted. So I took the pay cut, took the cut in hours so that I could attend school full-time. Little by little, baby steps, I've learned every machine, the safety of requirements, how to properly handle them, what they can do for me, what I can use the machines for. I've learned pneumatics, hydraulics, programming with the robots. We've done soldering. We've done woodwork as well. We've done electrical inputting, outputs, switches, light bulbs, all you can imagine. We also have rabbit lasers, and that's what kind of sparked interest in my book. And one of the programs that we use is Aspire. Currently right now is what we use. And you can make anything possible on that laser. And that allowed me to anchor a job with Berry Global. Berry Global is a plastic manufacturing company. They produce all of the cups or plasticware for many companies. They currently make Wawa's cups that we use and other plasticware that we give out to our customers. And I was like, well, it kind of comes back full circle. I'm interested in this company. I am now going to be working at their plant here, located in Sarasota off of 301. I will be producing the Wendy's and Taco Bell cups. They produce over 1 million cups in a night. They just built there on 301, and I am very honored to be one of their first employees.